It also, what does it do? Oh yeah. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. So today I want to talk about all the products that I have constantly repurchased over the years, and I also use these products in my everyday life as well as filming life. So if you want to know what those products are, please keep watching. So the first product that I always repurchase, and I've been using it even before I started my YouTube channel, is the MAC Face and Body Foundation. And the reason why I like this foundation is that it gives me moisture because it is water-based. So in the winter, it does help me out quite a bit. And working in the salon and having the salon very dry all the time because of all the blow dryers going off, it helps retain my moisture. And on top of that, it also gives me a sheer coverage of foundation for days I just want things to be light, especially in the summer. Or I can use 3 layers of this and make it really heavy and make it last for the whole night. And when I mean heavy, I mean have it a heavier coverage. And all you really need is a setting powder to set it, and bam, it stays on for a very long time. Now, the second thing that I always repurchase, and this is new, there are 2 mascaras. I don't love one more than the other. It's just whatever's in my makeup bag, I get. But the first mascara is the Monsieur Big Mascara from Lancome. It's this way. And the second mascara is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. And the reason why I like these 2 mascaras is because it gives me incredible volume. I've used a lot of mascaras over my life, and these 2 mascaras just give me like bam volume. And the second thing I like about this is that it's really black, like blacker than my hair black. So I love these 2 mascaras, and I do use this in my everyday life as well as filming life. And on top of that, when I film, because I don't use fake eyelashes, I find that these 2 mascaras, they don't help me look like I have fake eyelashes, but it helps me look like I have eyelashes on the camera. And the last thing that I have constantly repurchased, and I've been repurchasing this since I was in makeup school, so that was about, oh god, like 20 years ago, is the Cinema Secrets Brush Cleanser. So this stuff is amazing, and it's really good when I was doing a lot more makeup. I don't do as much as I used to, but it's good because when I was working in the field, I was able to clean my brushes and it dries so fast. Like, I can clean a brush, let it sit out for maybe 30 seconds, and my brush would be dry, and I can dip my brush into the next color and apply on my customer. It is amazing. Then I started my own YouTube video, and I realized when I was doing makeup tutorials, I can do the same. Back then, I used to do a ton of makeup tutorials, and I used to use like 30 products, and I didn't want to clean 30 brushes. So in order for me to use less brushes, I would use this, and it is amazing, and I will constantly repurchase it. And there you have it. Those are the products that I repurchase over and over again over the past few years. If you have any products that you purchase all the time, let me know down below. Anyways, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That is Kiss Jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click right here. Or if you want to watch my last video, click on my last video right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.